Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Good morning, everyone. It's my proud privilege to welcome you all on behalf of Sikkim Manipal University to its 20th e-convocation this morning. Today is a momentous milestone. It tells us how far you have traversed through your academic journey, and Sikkim Manipal University has played an important role in it. Sikkim Manipal University was the first university to be established in the state of Sikkim in the year 1995. Sikkim Manipal University is a NAAC accredited university. Sikkim Manipal University has been ranked by India Today among the top 20 universities for medical and technological courses for the year 2020. It's a matter of pride for all of us to be associated with Sikkim Manipal University. Since its inception, it has been instrumental in providing higher education not only to the students of the state of Sikkim, but also to the nation as a whole and to our neighboring countries as well. Manipal Education and Medical Group is committed to encouraging the pursuit of wisdom, enlightenment, and realization of one's potential, and Sikkim Manipal University, as a constituent of it, embodies the same principle. We at SMU value our intellectual students and nurture them with a perfect blend of both traditional and contemporary methods, which enhances the comprehensive development of our students, and we take pride in it. In the process, we at SMU also ensure that every year the society at large is benefited with professionals from every sphere who can immensely impact the process of value creation and development. Dear students and the proud parents, as you all are aware of the prevailing situation worldwide, we could not have you here in the campus for this memorable day of your life. But at the same time, we could not keep you waiting to receive your accolades. So, we are having the 20th convocation of Sikkim Manipal University on the virtual platform. Today, before we start with the proceedings of the e-convocation, we would like to give you the feel of your campuses and make you feel nostalgic about the great times you have spent here. We bring to you the glimpses of your favorite alma mater and its achievements. Enjoy the memorable journey.
The serene beauty amidst the foothills of the Himalayas. Sikkim and Gangtok have always been the destination for tourism. The lush green city, nestled in the hills of the northeast, became the hub for education when the government of Sikkim joined hands with Manipal Education and Medical Group located at Bangalore, Karnataka on November 15, 1992 with a vision to deliver quality education and medical facilities. The public-private partnership venture resulted in the formation of Sikkim Manipal University located at 5th Mile, Tadong, Gangtok, Sikkim. The unique public-private initiative was incorporated under Act 9 of 1995 of the Sikkim legislature. Sikkim Manipal University is part of the Manipal Education and Medical Group, offering various residential courses in the areas of medicine, engineering, and management. The 60-acre university campus houses the Institute of Medical Sciences, College of Physiotherapy, and the College of Nursing. The university is recognized by the UGC under Section 2F and its various programs by concerned regulatory authorities like MCI, AICTE, NCI, etc. The 9-storied Central Referral Hospital stands tall with its floor space of 3 lakh square feet, with over 500 beds and super specialty services, catering to the medical needs of the citizens across the northeast and northern regions of West Bengal. The Sikkim Manipal University conducts 57 programs delivered across 10 disciplines, backed by over 400 core faculty members of the medical and engineering disciplines. To enrich the skills of executing medical emergencies, students of 21 specialties from the schools of medicine, physiotherapy, and nursing at the Sikkim Manipal University are exposed to clinical training by live demonstrations and real-life scenarios at the Central Referral Hospital. The Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences offers Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery program, Doctor of Medicine, Master of Surgery, and the integrated MSc in Medical Biotechnology. The Sikkim Manipal College of Nursing offers Bachelor and Master's programs in nursing, while the Sikkim Manipal College of Physiotherapy offers Bachelor's and Master's program in Physiotherapy. Qualified doctors, faculty, and medical lab technicians across the medical institutes continue to persevere in nurturing students in the application of their knowledge in experimentation and assisting them in handling medical emergencies at all times. Situated 30 kilometers from Tadong, the university's engineering campus, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, spreads over 34 acres at Majitar, Sikkim. Located in the milieu of the Teesta River, since its inception in 1997, SMIT offers the Bachelor of Technology degree in Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, and Mechanical Engineering. The Master of Technology program comprises Power Electronics, Computer Science and Engineering, and Digital Electronics and Communication Engineering. The institute also hosts the MBA and MCA programs. The institute houses state-of-the-art infrastructure and facilities in each of its departments to enhance professional skills, develop proficiency in research and development for the application of thoughts and ideas in the areas of learners' interest. The Sikkim Manipal School of Basic and Applied Sciences at the SMIT campus offers Master of Science, Master of Technology, Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Business Administration, a twinning program in BS Engineering, and a postgraduate diploma in Geoinformatics. The school is established to focus on high-quality education and research with special emphasis on faculty-student interaction. The Department of Humanities and Social Sciences and Hospital Administration of the Sikkim Manipal University offers bachelor programs in Arts and Commerce and master programs in Commerce and Hospital Administration. The university campuses at Tadong and Majitar boast facilities such as hostel blocks, comfortable twin sharing room with study tables, chairs, bedding, and attached washroom space. Mess. Hygiene has always been a top priority of the university mess. Fitness, sports, and personal health management. Finding the right balance between academics and time to pursue personal interests plays a vital role for the holistic development of thoughts and ideas. To facilitate this, the SMIT campus houses Marina, a state-of-the-art sports complex with a multi-purpose hall, swimming pool, gym, yoga and meditation rooms. Students can participate in a range of sports such as table tennis, lawn tennis, badminton, volleyball, and aerobics. A large ground for outdoor sports like football and cricket is dedicated for those students interested in joining and representing the university sports team. Staff housing. Campuses also provide housing facilities for university staff. 24/7 medical assistance. Personal health being the primary objective of any human being, the campus provides 24/7 medical facilities with qualified resident doctors and medical staff. Cultural exposure. Talents are in abundance among the young generation at both the campuses. The annual Cultural Fest shows various talents on our one platform. The USPs of the programs at Sikkim Manipal University are setting industry standards. The Sikkim Manipal University has set the standard of quality education among the states of Northeast India for programs in medicine, engineering and management. Sikkim Manipal University, destination to learn and build careers for life.
Honorable Governor of Sikkim and Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University, Shri Ganga Prasad Ji, Shri Rajan Padukan, Pro-Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University, Dr. Ranjan Pai, Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group, Dr. Lieutenant General Rajan Grewal, Vice Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University, all dignitaries on the dais, faculties, our dear students and their parents. I, Dr. Ruby Day, on behalf of Sikkim Manipal University, welcome all the dignitaries, students, their parents and the faculties to the 20th e-convocation of Sikkim Manipal University today on the 26th September 2020. अब मैं सभी गणमान्य व्यक्तियों से राष्ट्रगान के गायन के लिए खड़े होने का अनुरोध करती हूँ।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे
आप सभी से विनम्र निवेदन है कि कृपया आप अपना स्थान ग्रहण कीजिए। मैं अब सिक्किम के माननीय महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री गंगा प्रसाद जी से सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के कुलाधिपति के रूप में 20वें दीक्षांत समारोह के आरंभ होने की घोषणा करने का अनुरोध करती हूँ।
मैं सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के 20वें दीक्षांत समारोह का शुभ आरंभ की घोषणा करता हूँ।
धन्यवाद महामहिम राज्यपाल जी। प्रकाश ज्ञान के अंधेरे को दूर करता है। यह ज्ञान, प्रबोध, अनुभव और आशा का भी प्रतीक है। यह संपूर्ण नकारात्मकता को दूर करता है और साथ ही आशा और प्रेम की किरणों को प्रज्वलित करता है। मैं सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के 20वें दीक्षांत समारोह के शुभ अवसर पर सिक्किम के माननीय महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री गंगा प्रसाद जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे अनुष्ठानिक दीप को प्रज्वलित करें और हम सभी माँ सरस्वती का निवेदन करते हुए माँ का आशीर्वाद ग्रहण करें।
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला, या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता, या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा, या श्वेतपद्मासना, काड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
धन्यवाद महामहिम राज्यपाल जी।
May I now request the Pro-Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University, Shri Rajen Padukone, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Namaste. Honorable Shri Ganga Prasad Ji, Governor of Sikkim and Chancellor Sikkim Manipal University. Our distinguished Chief Guest, Shri Abhay Kumar Vaish, Vice President, Ericsson Global India. Shri Kunga Nima Lepcha, Honorable Minister of Education, Government of Sikkim. Shri M.K. Sharma, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Sikkim. Shri G.P. Upadhyay, Additional Chief Secretary, Education Department, Government of Sikkim. Shri K. Srinivasalu, Principal Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Sikkim. Shri Ranjan Pai, Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group. Dr. Lieutenant General Rajan Singh Grewal, Vice Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University. Members of SMU's Governing Council, Executive and Finance Committees, and the Academic Senate, faculty and staff members, parents and graduating students, members of the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to the 20th convocation ceremony of Sikkim Manipal University, being held in a virtual mode. On behalf of the entire SMU family, I extend a warm welcome to Shri Ganga Prasad, Honorable Governor of Sikkim and Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University. Our Honorable Governor is a man of deep wisdom and vast experience who has made praiseworthy contributions to society in highlighting our nation's rich history. He has been at the forefront of educational reforms, especially in aligning academics with vocational and skill-based learning. Prior to assuming the appointment as Governor of Sikkim, he was Governor of Meghalaya. Sir, we look forward to your blessings and guidance to our university. A warm welcome to you, sir. It is my privilege and honor to welcome our chief guest, Shri Abhay Kumar Vaish, Senior Vice President and Head of the Business Unit of MS IT ADM at Ericsson Global. An Electronics and Communications Engineer, Shri Vaish is a technology leader with 30 years of experience in telecommunications industry. He has held many leadership positions at Ericsson. Over the years, he has spearheaded Ericsson's introduction of mobile technology and their rapid advancement to 3G, 4G, and 5G technologies across the world. His expertise lies in managing the technical operations of operators, from radio, core to IT networks. He advises and contributes to the 10,000 Startup Initiative of NASSCOM and is an angel to quite a few startups. I thank Shri Vaish for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest at the e-convocation and agreeing to deliver this convocation address. A warm welcome to you, sir. I also extend a very warm welcome to Shri Kunga Nima Lepcha, Honorable Minister of Education, and Shri M.K. Sharma, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare. A warm welcome to our Governing Council members, Shri G.P. Upadhyay, Additional Chief Secretary, HRDD, and Shri K. Srinivasalu, Principal Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, and Dr. Ranjan Pai, Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group. I also warmly welcome the other members of the Governing Council, the Executive and Finance Committees, the Academic Senate, and other dignitaries from the Government of Sikkim and central organizations, our distinguished guests, university faculty and staff, and members of the press and media. And finally, a special welcome to my dear graduating students, their parents, relatives, and friends. Let me begin by paying obeisance to our founder, the late Dr. Teme Pai, who was a visionary extraordinaire, a reputed doctor, banker, and philanthropist. He was a pioneer in education, in the education sector in our country. I also gratefully acknowledge the significant contribution of Dr. Ramdas Pai, the founding chancellor of our university, to nation building. His tremendous foresight enabled the setting up of the first university in the country under a private-public partnership with the government of Sikkim, our own Sikkim Manipal University. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge the support of Dr. Ranjan Pai, chairman of the Manipal Education and Medical Group, and for his constant encouragement to our university to achieve greater heights in its academic prowess. We at SMU also acknowledge and convey our profound gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Shri Prem Singh Tamang, for his strong support to our university and for his praiseworthy leadership to improve the education and healthcare services and the overall development of the state. Today, the entire world is facing unprecedented challenges with the onslaught of the coronavirus pandemic. Our lives and the way we live has undergone major changes. Social and formal interactions require social distancing, constant wearing of masks and hand sanitization. Classroom teaching and learning and office discussions have moved online. Travel restrictions and quarantines have suddenly changed the way we moved across locations freely. They call this the new normal. We have to quickly adapt to the changing environment like never before. The education sector has had to promptly reconfigure, realign itself to address these constraints. Educational institutions such as ours have been compelled to redefine the teaching, learning, and assessment methodologies, as students are unable to visit or are restricted from visiting the campuses. Adoption of technology, online learning, virtual classes, and webinars have become integral to our education system. And given the prevailing compulsions of the COVID-19 pandemic, this year's annual convocation is being organized on an online virtual platform. I'm very happy to state that the Vice Chancellor and the entire faculty and staff at SMU have made significant progress to address these new demands and challenges. They've all risen to the occasion. They have worked with dedication and commitment to address these constraints and provide solutions. I commend them all for adapting remarkably in such a short period of time. Dear PhD scholars, postgraduates, and graduates, you're now on the threshold of entering a fascinating new world, a world full of challenges as well as opportunities. As change and transformation remain inseparable parts of life, we ought to welcome change with courage and commitment. Albert Einstein said, "In the middle of adversity lies opportunity. In the middle of adversity lies opportunity." His words seem so profound today in these difficult times. Nevertheless, there will be promising opportunities, interesting avenues, attractive possibilities as you embark into a new, challenging world and as you build your lives and careers. Focus on your aspirations, your objectives, your goals. Keep your minds open to new ideas. Be aware of change, which is a constant. Be quick to adapt and accept it. The education, training, and skills imparted to you at SMU will light the pathway and guide you, hopefully, to a bright future ahead. As SMU completes 23 significant years, we look back at our rewarding journey that began in a very, very modest way. We started with only 130 students in 1997. Today, we have over 3,600 students enrolled in our campus-based programs. More than 10,000 students have graduated from the university in different disciplines. Many have achieved success in their careers. This large pool of skilled and trained human resources has helped the social and economic development of this state, of this region, and of our country. We eagerly look forward to your contribution in building the nation in the years ahead. So once again, on behalf of the SMU family, may I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Vice Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University, Lieutenant General Dr. Rajan Grewal, AVSM, VSM, to kindly present the university highlights.
परम सम्मान्य महामहिम राज्यपाल Shri Ganga Prasad ji, our esteemed chief guest, Shri Abhay Kumar Vaish, Shri Kunga Nima Leepcha, the Honorable Education Minister, Government of Sikkim,
Dr. Mani Kumar Sharma,
the Honorable Minister of Health, Government of Sikkim, Shri S.C. Gupta, Chief Secretary, Shri G.P. Upadhyay, Additional Chief Secretary, Education, Shri V.P. Pathak, Additional Chief Secretary, Finance, Shri K. Srinivasalu, Principal Secretary, Health, our esteemed Chairperson, Dr. Ranjan Pai,
who inspirationally heads the Manipal Education and Medical Group, our honored Pro-Chancellor, Shri Rajen Padukone, who has been a pillar of support and valued guidance, esteemed members of the Governing Council, the Academic Senate, the Executive and Finance Committees, our learned faculty, management, staff, and of course our dear students who are on the threshold of becoming our recently inducted alumni, and their respected proud parents. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the launch pad of the promising future of our able students as they commence their fascinating journey of their career pathways. It is indeed a singular honor and a unique privilege to be amidst you as the Vice Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University to highlight and showcase the achievements of our university and its constituent institutes from the very inception through the memorable journey of over 2 decades.
We will commence with the vision which we truly epitomize and embody, and that is global leadership in human development, excellence in education, and provision of quality health care. Our mission entails developing professionals with excellent technical caliber in the field of health sciences, engineering, management, and social sciences with a humane approach capable of shouldering the responsibilities of building the nation and be globally competent. Our objectives are to support, promote, and undertake the advancement of academics, as also use of information, communication, and modern education technologies, encourage research, creation and dissemination of knowledge, facilitate extension to the community, empower the people of Sikkim, and contribute towards human development in the Northeast region, as also fulfill our social responsibilities
and ensure the steady growth of our university.
Ladies and gentlemen, we begin with paying our reverential obeisance to our founder, the legendary Dr. Tonsai Madhav Anand Pai, Padma Shri, a visionary, an eminent doctor, a reputed educationist, banker, and philanthropist. Because of his vision, we have 6 universities spread across 5 different countries and 11 campuses, with the Pioneer Institute being the Manipal Academy of Higher Education, with universities in Malaysia, West Indies, and the recent induction in Jaipur, apart from where we are, the Sikkim Manipal University.
We have the distinction of 26 professional colleges and 11 campuses spread across 5 countries, where we provide high-quality tertiary and quaternary health care in our corporate hospitals, as also high-quality education in India and abroad.
This is a glimpse of our campuses across various countries, with the Mahe Manipal established way back in the year 1953, and our universities in Antigua and Malaysia, as also on the top left side of your screen, you would see the Sikkim Manipal University at Tadong and Gangtok. The recent induction has been that of the Manipal University, Jaipur, in the year 2011. To recap some of our momentous milestones, it is in the year 1992 that a public-private partnership between the government of Sikkim and the Manipal Group was enshrined. To establish the Sikkim Manipal University in 1995, and with the Central Referral Hospital which provides quality health care, and with the Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology in 1997, the establishment of SMIMS, College of Nursing, and the College of Physiotherapy in 2001, the distance learning program in 2006, and the Department of Humanities, which came up in 2012 with accreditations by the NAC, the NBA along the journey, and with the establishment of central computing facilities and the AIC's SMU TBI.
At the apex of our leadership is His Excellency Shri Ganga Prasad, Honorable Governor of Sikkim and the Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University. I take this opportunity to express our profound gratitude to Dr. Ramdas Madhav Pai, Padma Bhushan, the Chairman Emeritus of the Manipal Education and Medical Group, as also our current Chairperson, Dr. Ranjan Pai, who is leading us by sterling example, and of course, our Pro-Chancellor, Shri Rajen Padukone. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly indebted to all our former Vice-Chancellors and particularly Lieutenant General M.D. Venkatesh, who is our Mentor Emeritus. We are indeed ably supported by Brigadier V.K. Mehta, the Dean SMIMS, Professor Ashish Sharma, the Director SMIT, and Professor Karma Sonam Sherpa, our Registrar.
Constituent units are largely located across 2 campuses, and these are the medical campus spread across more than 21 acres and the technical campus more than 34 acres with various constituent units which you can see on the view foyer. The university staff has a very healthy teacher-student ratio, as also non-teaching staff largely of Sikkimese origin constituting 56% and with a gender ratio of 52% females, which speaks volumes for our gender equality.
The Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences offers a galaxy of programs other than MBBS, which is post-graduation MD, MS in 10 disciplines and DNB across 2 specialties in addition to diplomas in other disciplines. The Sikkim Manipal College of Physiotherapy offers bachelor's and master's degrees. The Sikkim Manipal College of Nursing offers BSc in nursing and MSc across various disciplines. The Medical Biotechnology stream also offers a bachelor's and master's programs. Our humanities and social sciences is spread across both the master's and bachelor's landscape, and we have a robust multidisciplinary research program wherein we offer PhDs across health sciences as also in the engineering and technology disciplines.
The technical campus offers engineering programs across all disciplines, both in the master's and in the bachelor's programs. The engineering programs also constitute science degrees in bachelor's and master's, as also computer applications were adequately staffed and optimally subscribed. The management programs also on the technical campus offer an MBA and a BBA program, and also a master's in physics, chemistry, and mathematics with PhD in various disciplines.
In addition to these specialities and super specialities, we also have a state-of-the-art radio diagnostic and imaging services, which constitute a CT scan and magnetic resonance imaging facilities, as also high-end lab services offered across the lab sciences, namely pathology, microbiology, and biochemistry.
Our student enrollment ratio has always been upwards of 3,600 across the last 4 years. And the research profile is truly creditable, with 90 teachers who have a PhD and 56 of them are PhD guides. We have research grants from non-government agencies, both from India and abroad, as also government agencies, to name a few: the Department of Biotechnology, ICMR, ICT, Ministry of Communications and IT, Department of Science and Technology, the DRDO, and various intramural funds which are injected by the Dr. TMA Pai Research Grant and Dr. Ramdas Pai and Mrs. Basanti Pai endowment funds. Amongst the research achievements that we have, various workshops, conferences, CMEs, CNEs, seminars, symposias, and faculty development programs totaling up to 154 in the last 5 years. The number of fellowship programs which we've been awarded, including travel grants, are 128. And this caterpillar of research publications would show you that we have grown exponentially in the field of research publications, where we now crossed the 1,000 mark glass ceiling to reach 1,137. 75% of them are indexed in the Web of Science and Scopus. As also contribution in various textbooks. The incubation center, which is of repute, is the Atal Incubation Center sent by Niti Aayog, as also the SMU Center for Entrepreneurship Incubation, and with various grants from the Niti Aayog. Patents have been achieved across healthcare, and various other startups have also come up in various disciplines. The consultancy and training programs are the sponsoring agencies are the Sikkim government, as also the banking sector. The corporate training is provided through e-governance to our bureaucrats, as also sponsored by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This view foyer shows you 60 classrooms with state-of-the-art information communication technology facilities at SMIT,
and 54 classrooms and demonstration facilities with modern technology in the medical campus.
The technical campus has 57 laboratories with all the equipment which is high-end and imparts skills and knowledge-based learning. The medical campus has 34 laboratories spread across pre- and paraclinical disciplines. The library is indeed very well equipped, both on the medical and technical campus, with a large number of books, journals, and print material, as also reference books. The gymnasium and sports facilities provide most games, including yoga, meditation, and swimming, particularly in the SMIT, as also sports facilities on the medical campus. Our hostels are well furnished with various accommodation available for students in the medical, technology, and the nursing disciplines. The staff accommodation is adequate and optimally furnished both in the medical and technical campus. We have, of course, the state-of-the-art Central Referral Hospital at Tadong here, which provides ultra-specialized services, and also a health center at Majitar, where our SMIT is located.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to draw your attention to this particular slide on the view foyer. You would appreciate that our students have consistently excelled with their career progression, with placements exceeding 90% and peaking at 98.3%.
We have, in today's 20th e-convocation, 718 graduates across various disciplines, 171 postgraduates, and 9 PhD scholars who would be awarded a degree and medals. Our contribution to the region in the Northeast is from human development in the Sikkim region, as also 20 to 50% seats reservation with 75% concession, both in the medical and technology and other programs. Healthcare, which has benefited more than 50,000 Sikkimese, and health camps have been organized as part of our outreach activities. This particular slide is something which I'd like to draw your attention once again. Our national ratings are something that we are proud of, and 9th rank amongst the top 10 best medical universities of the country. Sikkim Manipal University, the 16th rank in the top 23 best technical universities in the country. The week rates us 3rd rank amongst the private engineering colleges, 7th rank top multidisciplinary universities of East Zone, 23rd rank of the non-governmental multidisciplinary universities. You would be happy to note that as late as 1st September of 2020, we've been ranked at the 16th position amongst the top medical colleges of the private dispensation in the country, and the 4th rank of SMIT amongst the top engineering colleges. We have made steady progress in the field of information technology and digitization, and given the COVID challenges, online classes, online practicals, we are leveraging information technology and digitization towards online webinars, which are a huge success.
I take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to the Honorable Governor, our chief guest, and all the dignitaries, as also all members of the august audience, and each one of our students and their proud parents. On behalf of each member of the faculty, management, and students of the Sikkim Manipal University, we'd like to place on record our profound gratitude and acknowledge with appreciation the sterling role of the government of Sikkim, who have come forward in supporting all our academic and professional endeavors. Before I close, I would like to wish all our students and our recently inducted alumni a bright and scintillating future with promising milestones and many illustrious laurels in their journey of life and career ahead. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, sir.
It's our proud privilege to present the medals and degrees to this year's undergraduates, postgraduates, and PhD scholars of Sikkim Manipal University. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. So aptly said by Anatole France, and the students of Sikkim Manipal University have proved it in every sphere. Awards in any field are always a sense of pride and great accomplishment for a student and their parents. To felicitate the achievers of this academic year for their exemplary performance in their academics, I would now like to call upon Dr. Lieutenant General R.S. Grewal, Vice Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University, to present the recipients of medal winners and PhD degrees.
20th E-Convocation is a milestone when we recount and acknowledge the sterling contributions of our distinguished toppers who have achieved success, and not just success, but gold standards in their journey through various examinations. The highlight of today's convocation, ladies and gentlemen, is to acknowledge the distinguished achievements of some of our bright, young, and promising students, and who have been awarded the gold medals and various other medals in various examinations which have been held. To begin with, Surabhi Singhal topped the MBBS with a gold medal. Akshata Thapa, the Bachelor's of Physiotherapy gold medal. Ajay Chetri, the gold medal in Masters of Commerce. Harsh Agarwal, the gold medal in Bachelor of Technology. Himanshu Goyal, the gold medal Masters Business Administration. Ayush Tiwari, Bachelor of Business Administration gold medal. Prasanna Dungale, the gold medal in Bachelor of Computer Applications. Milan Pradhan, the gold medal of BCA in Cloud Technology and Information Security. Amrita Kumari Gupta, gold medal Master of Science in Chemistry. Moving on to the silver medals of the convocation, Harsh Agarwal, BTech, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Chandni Agarwal, BTech, Computer Science and Engineering. Pratyushi Tamuli, BTech, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Ashutosh Kumar, BTech Mechanical Engineering, Kunzang Chuki Bhutia, BTech Civil Engineering. PhD degrees are awarded to these distinguished research scholars. Dr. J.P. Singh, Department of Management Studies. Dr. Polash Banerjee, Department of Computer Science Engineering. Dr. Papri Ghosh, Department of Computer Science Engineering. Dr. Thodam Bidita Devi, Department of Anatomy. Dr. Preeti Chaudhary, Department of Microbiology. Dr. Nongmaitham Anila Chanu, Department of Microbiology. Dr. Ranjit Panigrahi, Department of Computer Applications. Dr. Soham Das, Department of CMSNT. And Dr. Paras Singh, Department of Biochemistry. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. Graduation is an exciting time in the life of a student. It marks both an ending and beginning. It's warm memories of the past and big dreams for the future. On this note now, to present before us today the degree awardees of the medical campus of Sikkim Manipal University, I would now like to call upon Dr. Brigadier B.K. Mehta, Dean, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences, to present the degree holders for the award of their degrees of MBBS, MDMS, BSc Nursing, BPT, MPT, BSc Medical Biotechnology, MSc Integrated Medical Biotechnology, and Masters in Hospital Administration.
Sir, I present 151 degree awardees who have completed the requirement for the award of their degree under the Faculty of Medicine.
MBBS course, T.C. Chanu, Akshi Manohar, Avantika Sharma, Elisha Rai, Upasna Sharma, Premit Lepcha, Kunzung Ongmu Bhutia, Rajni Rai, Swapna Gurung, Ravi Ranjan Prasad, Sharad Hang Limbu, Anjali Lama Tamang, Bhavna Regmi, Vishwas L, Barsha Chetri, Vishwas Basnet, Dawa N Bhutia, Sarjoy Hang Subba, Ahenba K, Sefali Agrawal, Saptashri P, Rohan Raj Barua, Renuka Devi, Devashri Nag, Kritika Dhakal, Ashish Sakaria, L. Toijam, N. Sarita, K. Lakshmipari Devi, Shrinivas Achaju Newar, Priyanka Bhama, Devina Sinam, Himanshu Kumar Pathak, A. Mississippi Chanu, Sonalika N, Akriti Raj, Shireen Mangal, Atish Dipankar, Komal Kesri, Bhavna Chawla, Akshay Sharma, Pallavi Purohit, Sharad Subham, Dipesh Chopra, Riya Sarkar, K. Ongmu Bhutia, Bhavna Singhal, Tilotma Sen, Sarika Chetri, Prana Sharma, Ruchika Century, T. Gurung, Iksha Subba, Pratibha Rai, Bhumika Dulal, Narmi T, Sunita Longjam, L. Monica Devi, Neha Sharma, Sushmita Salam, H. Jessica Devi, T. Gracila, Ankita G. Cheleng, Salam K, L. N. Vanika Kom, M. Hinkarjam, Rohini Tamang, Leena N, T. Satya Manoja, Abhishek Subba Limbu, Saurav, Sri Jita Ray, Aishwarya Mishra, Tushar Jyoti Medi, रिंचेन लामू तमंग, मोक्षार्थी शर्मा, अनन्या चौधरी, बालारीना युमनम, जेवेल डेका, आरुषि गुप्ता, MS ढिल्लन, श्रीकांत सलेचा, शुभेंदु, ज्ञानवी रमन. Moving to the postgraduate course, आशिता अग्रवाल OBG, बेमा के कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, S नवीन भाई ठक्कर OBG, अनामिका कुमारी पीडियाट्रिक्स, दीपशिखा मिश्रा ENT, सुबर्णा खातीवारा जनरल मेडिसिन, शिखा शर्मा साइकेट्री, प्रभा कपिल कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, अंबिका सुंदास साइकेट्री, सचिका राय ENT, RH गांधी जनरल मेडिसिन, मैत्री ओझा पीडियाट्रिक्स. मूविंग टू BSc नर्सिंग कोर्स, पूजा गायन, प्रियंका गजमेर, मेलिना छेत्री, यंगचेम भूटिया, अनुपमा सुब्बा, यूनिस राई, हिसे चौधन लेप्चा, सिमरन राई, नंदिता गुरुंग, प्रभा लिंबू, अलीजा प्रधान, शेरप पालमू वांगचुक भूटिया, लामू शेरपा, शेरिंग चेंगम भूटिया, प्रेरणा छेत्री, लामू भूटिया, स्वीकृति छेत्री, पासांग डिकी लेप्चा, प्रिया छेत्री, पेमा चौधन भूटिया, DP रोज प्रधान, हेमा छेत्री, यंगचेन डोमा भूटिया, क्रिस्टीना तायंग. मूविंग टू BPT कोर्स, पुष्पांगी अग्रवाल, तेंजिंग येगा, सोनम चौधन भूटिया, इंदिरा देवी प्रधान, डिक्की चौधन भूटिया, कासंग लामू भूटिया, शुभा कोराला, साक्षी आर्यन, सोनम शेवांग नॉर्जिल, यज्ञमा छेत्री, जी लोडे भूटिया, अनामिका कुंडू, शांति कुमारी गुप्ता, दर्शना बोरा, स्नेहा मंदर थारू, आशीष राय, भवानी दास, सोनम ओंगमू भूटिया, दावा शेरिंग भूटिया, प्रियंका प्रधान, ताशी ओंगमू शेरपा, सरीनो तुजुसी, प्रसन गोले. मूविंग टू MPT कोर्स, प्रियंका कलिता, तहरी लीला T संगटम, प्रवीण कुमार, नमगियाल डोमा शेरपा, दिनकर, शेरिंग O शेरपा. कमिंग टू BSc मेडिकल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कोर्स, अभिषेक सुनार, सुदेशना डे, शिवांगी. मूविंग टू MSc मेडिकल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कोर्स, शाहीन अहमद, कनन राज, शताब्दी भट्टाचार्य जी, तनिषा दत्ता, साताक्षी पंत, नोवा डेका, आशीष कार्की छेत्री. मूविंग टू MHA कोर्स, दीपांजलि देवी, तृप्ति बिस्वा, बिदानिसा D सीरा, रोमी बुद्धा थोकी, श्रद्धा बेसनेट, सूरज दहाल.
Thank you, sir. Translating the good things of one's learning for the welfare of humanity as a medical graduate has certain pledges and commitments, which is the Hippocratic Oath. I request the MBBS graduates to stand up and put their right hand forward to take the oath. May I request Dr. Brigadier B.K. Mehta, Dean Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences, to administer the oath to this year's medical graduates.
Now I will administer Hippocratic Oath to MBBS graduates. Kindly repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity.
Solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to service of humanity.
Even under threat, I will not use my medical knowledge
use my medical knowledge
contrary to the laws of humanity.
contrary to the laws of humanity.
I will maintain the utmost respect
I will maintain the utmost respect
for human life
for human life
from the time of conception.
from the time of conception.
I will not permit consideration of
I will not permit considerations of
religion, nationality, race,
nationality, race,
party politics, or social standing
party politics, or social standing
to intervene between my duty and my patient.
to intervene between my duty and my patient.
I will practice my profession
I will practice my profession
with conscience and dignity.
with conscience and dignity.
The health of my patient
The health of my patient
will be my first consideration.
will be my first consideration.
I will respect the secrets
I will respect the secrets
which are confined in me.
which are confined in me.
I will give my teachers
I will give my teachers
the respect and gratitude
the respect and gratitude
which is their due.
which is their due.
I will maintain by all means
I will maintain by all means
in my power
in my power
the honor and noble traditions
the honor and noble traditions
of medical profession.
of medical profession.
I will treat my colleagues
I will treat my colleagues
with all respect and dignity.
with all respect and dignity.
I make these promises
I make these promises
solemnly, freely, and upon my honor.
solemnly, freely, and upon my honor.
Thank you, sir.
May I now call upon the Director, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, Professor Dr. Ashish Sharma, to kindly present the degree holders for the award of degrees of B.Tech, M.Tech, BCA, MCA, BBA, MBA, MSc, BA, MA, BCom, and MCom.
Sir, I present 736 degree awardees who have completed the requirements for the award of degrees under the Faculty of Technology, Management, Basic Sciences and Humanities. Bachelor of Technology in Civil Engineering, Karma Chivang Dorji Bhutia, Ashutosh Kumar Arya, Mudhakar Century, Jodian Wangdi Lama. Nim Gyalchen Sherpa, Thubden Gurung, Shashi Shekhar Yadav, Vijay Panwar. Abhishek Rijal, Sagar Subedi, Santanu Nigam, Pratik Adhikari. Upkar Pachauri, Habib Khan, Royals Giri, Subhashish Dahal. Bitupan Roy, Dibya Jyoti Das, Monalisa Gautam, Ketan Kishan. Niharika Bindal, Anveshna Paudel, Karma Chitan Choki Bhutia, Abhishek Dhakal. Nikita Chhetri, Ribden Wangden Lepcha, Sunil Chhetri, Dipan Rizal. Abhishek Pradhan, Sudhanshu Kumar, Anjana Sharma, Satyam Thakuri. Navin Tamang, Lalrem Sangha, Dichen Wangmu Lepcha, Priya Rai. Kesula Sherpa, Supriya Sharma, Subarna Raj Gurung, Nikita Sharma. Hone Gyatso Bhutia, Kunjang Chuki Bhutia, Sange Palmu Bhutia, Rishu Shushib. Jitu Raj Basumatre, Kartike Raghav, Mrinalini Rai, Angela Dhungel. Sonam Chiring Bhutia, Norden Tamang, Laden Wangmu Bhutia, Suvash Rai. Diwakar Neopane, Sahil Tamang, Avinash Mosahare, Vishal Rai. Dhiren Pradhan, Abhishek Sharma, Shravan Kumar Sharma, Mukut Sarkar. Rohit Chaudhary, Anmol Rai, Amit Bhattarai, Samir Pradhan. Pema Dorji Bhutia, Chultim Bhutia, Prashant Paudial, Tenzing Tashi Bhutia. Babita Tamang, Pema Tamang, Sonam Doma Bhutia, Asmita Rai. Karma Sharap Palden Bhutia, Yashwant Gurung, Chanchu Bosher Bhutia, Binay Tamang. Adarsh Subba, Priyanka Sharma, Sudarshan Pradhan, Seshan Pradhan. Bachelor of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Aniket Sharma, Anmol Pandey, Tabish Imran, Abhishek Singh. Abhishek Singh, Aushik Kamal Gogoi, Himan Goswami, Prithviraj Yamben. ओमकार देशमुख, शुभम सिंह, अल्पना राज, शुभम सिंह, प्रेरणा गौतम, अंजलि विनोद, पदम खारे, आकाश चौधरी, ऐश्वर्या गुप्ता, अवेश कातेल, ऋत्विक कुमार, अंजू भूमिज, प्रेरणा श्री, कपिल कुमार, अनीश कुमार, मोहम्मद जीसान, उत्कर्ष त्रिपाठी, उदित प्रताप सिंह, रोनिता देवनाथ, देवांशु प्रधान, आकाश सिंह, अभिक दत्ता, देवेश प्रधान, सरफरुजुद्दीन अंसारी, बर्नाली मंडल, मयंक प्रकाश, विशाल छेत्री, आकाश बानिक, आकाश गुप्ता, देवाशीष तालुकदार, निखिल पुगलिया, मिहिर, हर्ष वर्धना, अनिमेश फुकन, कृति कुमारी, चांदनी अग्रवाल, श्वेता, अभिषेक कुमार, सौम्या भारती, अंकित कुमार तिवारी, साहिल सिंह, सुस्मिता कुमारी शाह, काजल सिंह, यथार्थ शर्मा, शिवम कश्यप, आदित्य सिन्हा, अरित्री बागची, सुदीप दास, अर्पण गौतम, सिमरन संधु, श्वेता अग्रवाल, प्रेमधर द्विवेदी, शांतानु शर्मा, अमन कुमार मिश्रा, साहिल, अनुज कश्यप, भास्कर, तानिया अग्रवाल, किनकिनी सान्याल, बासित हालिम, योगेश शर्मा, बुलबुल अग्रवाल, सौदामिनी घोष, सैनी युमनान, हिशे ग्यात्सो भूटिया, सत्येंद्र कुमार प्रसाद, टाशी छिरिंग भूटिया, रश्मि दास, अनुश्री दत्ता, आयुष जितानी, स्वर्णली साहा, अमर्त्य कुमार रॉय, अनुतोष पॉल, अमरजीत कुमार, विश्वमणि राय, अंकित कुमार गुप्ता, जावेद अंसारी, अनुपम पॉल, रियांका सरकार, निकिता नेपाल, आदित्य राजेंद्र माथुर, नूतन थापा, नितिन संदेलिया, सोनू, रिदम आर परमर, आर्य भट्टाचार्य, कोंडा वैष्णवी, वैदानी अनंत कुमार, अरुणावो रे, गौतम एस, आर्यन प्रधान, अभिषेक शर्मा, संध्या शर्मा, प्रशंसा राय, मोहित कुमार गुप्ता, दिव्यांशु सिंह, तेंजिंग मिंगुर भूटिया, विजय रेग्मी, रोहन प्रसाद, दिवस कपिल छेत्री, लिनस दर्नाल, रमित सिंह, सुतापा, भूषण शर्मा, विशाल मुर्मू, दीक्षा सुब्बा, रवि शंकर प्रसाद, फू छिरिंग भूटिया, राजदीप सिंह गोलन, रौनक अग्रवाल, सौरभ कुमार चौधरी, वांगजेर नामगेल भूटिया, अक्षता छेत्री, सरीना छेत्री, सहार्ष मोदी, हर्ष सिंह, हंसा झा, दीपांकर शर्मा, तरुण कुमार दुजर, बानी मदान, इमैनुअल सैवियो डॉन बॉस्को, तरुण कुमार, वर्षा शर्मा, शौविक मुखर्जी, परितोष कुमार, अभि दीप्रांश, विघ्नहार राम रापकवाद, प्रांतिक दे, ऋषभ आनंद, दिव्याम कुमार सिंह, मोहित राठौड़, भवजोत सिंह, सुया श्रीवास्तव, तुषार कुमार, अजय कौशिक लक्ष्मी नरसिम्हन, गालेन राफेल पेरेरा, शुभम कुमार, अनुषा आनंद, मुदित बोरन, अभिषेक विवेक शर्मा, दिव्यांशु गुप्ता, प्रियंक शर्मा, कंचल पाली, स्वप्निल राजू, दीपेश यादव, करासु श्रीनाथ, सुदीप्ता दे, आदर्श कुमार, विशाल राज, अंगरिका दास, आयुष ठाकुर, नल्लबोलू साईनाथ रेड्डी, दीप शिखा, आकृति शर्मा, कुणाल कुमार दास, प्रीति कुमारी, अनामिका चैटर्जी, देवस्मिता चक्रवर्ती, मोहम्मद अली खान, देवेंद्र बर्दे, सार्थक श्रीवास्तव, विश्व विवेक, उद्भव सिंह, राणा विजय सिंह, प्रणय सिंह, इमरान शाह, अपूर्व यश, प्रीतम कलिता, मयूर महांता, प्रतीक निखिल पेठे, अभिषेक राज, सूरज प्रभाकर, आकाश सराफ, आमिर वसीम कौसर, निहित कुमार, शेखर कुमार, निरोज दे, संग्रामजीत दत्ता, अंकित कुमार संध्यालियाल, जुटुकोंदा विनय बाबू, कुमार धनराज सिन्हा, ऋतुश्री प्रिया, अश्वनी पटेल, अनुराग आनंद, विजेंद्र कुमार शर्मा, कृष्ण किशोर वर्मा कालिंदी, अनन्या रॉय, हिमिका सरकार, अंशु दास, कमल बैनर्जी, विशाल जायसवाल, शिवांगी प्रिया, फैज़ खान, प्रशांत कुमार, ऋचा कृष्णन, वसुधा पाठक, आसिफुर रहमान, रूपशा गोस्वामी, आर्य सौमित्रा, आयुष वर्मा, शिवम वर्मा, रवि प्रकाश। बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग शुभंकर सिंह समंता, अभिनवा दत्ता चौधरी, रौनक पोद्दार, विकास गोसाई, प्रफुल्ल कुमार, स्नेहा प्रधान, आदित्य गैतोंदे, समीर हुसैन, सनी, मयंक बुदिया, अतुल श्रीवास्तव, ऋषभ भट्टाचार्य, अभिजीत राज, सपना अग्रवाल, अर्जुन प्रसाद, अरित्रा धर, रतुल घोष, वैशाली गौतम, सत्य प्रकाश शुक्ला, मनीषा कुमारी गुप्ता, अनुशील, शुभंकर रॉय, शुभम कुमार, पवन कुमार दुबे, अनिंदिता सिंहा, विपान सपकोटा, मुनि पवन, तीर्थम, शिवम गुप्ता, सुजय चक्रवर्ती, छिमिला शेरपा, आशीष ऑगस्टीन, पूजा वर्मा, देवस्मिता दे, झरना कुमारी, राजदीप भट्टाचार्य, शंख सुब्रा देवनाथ, नजीम अली, तुषार शर्मा, कैथ्यानी तिरुपति राव, कोकितला, डिम्पल दास, संकल्प जायसवाल, सप्तर्षि चक्रवर्ती, अमन श्रीवास्तव, गार्गी फुकौन, देवकांत वर्मा, शाश्वत शर्मा, अर्पित गुप्ता, मनोदीप साहा, रूपज्योति ब्रह्मा कालिता, मोहम्मद नदीम अख्तर हसीद, शौविक दास, अंकिता कर्माकर, अमर भट्टाचार्य, सौरभ देवव्रता दास, हर्ष अग्रवाल, अर्नब, साकेत कुमार, प्रेरणा खुलाल, पठाकोता वेंकटेश बाबू। बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग मनोरमा, जय बी उपाध्याय, नितेश वर्मा, सोहम घोष, अमित गुरुंग, आशीष मौर्य, श्रीजिता नास्कर, नोमिशा हजारिका, पंकज बासुमत्री, हिमालय गोगोई, विकास पांडे, गौरव उपाध्याय, केशव चंद्र गोगोई, रंगसुंग दोरजी शेरपा, कुणाल डेका, रूपम भेटवाल, राजीव शर्मा, सुदीप प्रधान, तेंजिंग धासेल लामा, संतोष कुमार भगत, अनिशा शर्मा, अंशु कुमार, दीपांजन घोष, मंजीत शुक्ला, कुमार गौरव, प्रत्याशा तामुली, सृजना अधिकारी, विजय शाह, एंजेला भूटिया, तितस तामंग, गंजी जया श्रीकर, सबीना शेरपा, उदया नारायण रेग्मी, छिरिंग तोपगे भूटिया, कर्म सोनम लामू, सुचित्रा छेत्री। बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कुंदन मिश्रा, सौरभ गुप्ता, नितेश बिलोंग, सिबांती घोष, फुनसोक ग्यात्सो तोपगे, आयशा नारायण, अस्मिता छेत्री, खुशी, नौरबू छिरिंग लामा तामंग, सुअव थापा, रोहित राहुल खंडेलवाल, अचाया कुमार शर्मा, अमलान ज्योति दास, अयज नागवी, कुमार सिद्धार्था, अंकित राजकुमार सिंह, नीलभ राज, अनुराग श्रीवास्तव। बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग शिवांद्रू, शुभम शाह, सेजुंग शेरपा, आयुष छेत्री, रुचिस्मिता चक्रवर्ती, शेते सानेस, आशीष कुमार, स्नेहांजन सोम, निर्माण सिंगल, शुभम राउत, अभिषेक पॉल, कृष्णा पांडे, आकाश खुलाल, अनु लिंगफा, गुलशन चौहान, विप्राशी मजुमदार, भोमेश भुवा, अमित गौड़ा, विवेक कपूर, यश दुतराज, राहुल गुप्ता, देवज्योति दासपाल, विश्वजीत कुमार अतुल, कीर्तिमान दीपांकर, अमन सिन्हा, जुगा ज्योति तातोवारी, जयंत सिंह, कीर्तिमान दीपांकर, अमन सिन्हा, जुगा ज्योति पातोवारी, जयंत सिंह, कार्तिक पंचल, सुब्रतो पाल, गौरव प्रतिम दत्ता, सुब्रराज ज्योति बैनर्जी, श्रीश्रेल प्रधान, मऊ कुन्ही फुकौन, सलमान रजा अंसारी, सृष्टि आचार्य, संजीव कुमार, ऋषभ वालिया, पिंकी अग्रवाल, निशा कुमारी गुप्ता, मृन्मय बरुआ, जितेंद्र शर्मा, रितेश प्रधान, प्रतीक लाहोटी, इंजामुल हसन, दीपेश कुमार, आदित्य प्रकाश, उज्जवल गुप्ता, कौस्तव कौशिक, जुवराज कताकी, कनिका सिंह, श्रेयस्कर सिंह, फ्रैंकेन प्रतीक कंदुलना, अमन राज, रेजू रोहन, सौरभ दत्ता, अतुल पटेल, शेखर किशोर, राज श्रीवास्तव, मयूर, दीपक तिर्खे, आयुष कुमार सौ, चाहक गुप्ता, साई किरण नागाराजू, अभिषेक चक्रवर्ती, समर्षि चक्रवर्ती, आकाश सरकार, प्रतीक राज, आकाश आनंद, आशुतोष कुमार, मृत्युंजय कुमार, बर्नक मुखर्जी, स्वप्ननील घोष, शोभित प्रधान, सिद्धांत छेत्री, अबिद अंसारी, लकी प्रसाद, मोहम्मद बुरखाउद्दीन, रमन अधिकारी, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग, मनसेवी कार्की, संजीव सुब्बा, मोहम्मद जावेद अंसारी, शिशिर पोखरेल शर्मा, व्यास विवेक शर्मा, पासंग लामू भुटिया, यांगचेनला काजी, रिपना सापकोटा, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग, आनम तागू, अभिजीत सिंह, आशीष महार्जन, रेवाज राई, आशीष साक्या, जंगा थापा, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, प्रेक्षा शिफोन गुरुंग, वरुण प्रधान, अविनाश छेत्री, बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, मनीषा तामंग, देवजीत दत्ता, सिसम काफले, अनुभव मल्होत्रा, उर्गेन दोरजी लेप्चा, प्रकाश चंद्र मिश्रा, अदिति मोहन, झनंतिका नाथ, हेमंत गुरुंग, विक्रम सरकार, अंजलि राणा, अजय राय, सिद्धार्थ राय, माधव निरोला, केशव कुमार गुप्ता, धीरज गिरी, डेविड लामा शेरपा, आकाश परियार, प्रमोद गौतम, भावना मुखिया, मुयुमा राय, अभिचंद्र थामी, डब्ल्यू रोहित कुमार सिंगा, प्रसन्ना ढुंगेल, सुशांत रिजाल, जालेश खरगा, कमल बसनेत, नोरदेन पाखरिंग तामंग, सुनीता शर्मा, सज्जन बरदेवा, सोनल राय, बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन इन CTNIS, दिव्यानी शारदा, मिंगमा दोरजी शेरपा, सुशीला तामंग, दुर्गा देवी शर्मा, आकाश थापा, अजंता छेत्री, अनिशा छेत्री, सबीना शर्मा, मनीषा शर्मा, मिलन प्रधान, गौरव छेत्री, रजत शर्मा, मनीषा राय, धीरज गुप्ता, प्रशांत गुरुंग, शरद भुजेल, समथेन लामू भुटिया, रोहित कुमार प्रसाद, नोरबू तामंग, आकाशदीप आलोकन राय, अबीन सुब्बा, सुजाता राय, बैचलर ऑफ साइंस इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, पल्लव दास, मास्टर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, सनी प्रधान, अनुराग राय, पावेल विश्वास, नयन सुनार, सुनीता थापा, धन सिंह, मनोजा पाखरिंग, संजू तामंग, तिलक शर्मा, नोवांग शेनपेन, प्रणय दत्ता, बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, अभिनंदन छेत्री, राबदेन नामगेल वांगदी, कृष्मन छेत्री, म्युगुम सुब्बा, शिवा बालक शाह, प्रीति शंकर, शिवम कुमार जैन, रुबीना प्रधान, अर्जमा छेत्री, वसीम अहमद, अभिषेक तामंग, केतन कुमार, मयंक आनंद, उदय सुब्बा, आयुष तिवारी, सुमिरन गुरुंग, निवेदित प्रधान, स्वाति कुमारी, सायम शर्मा, नीतू भुजेल, खेलिना राय, तुषार दीक्षित, कमल प्रसाद शर्मा, सूरज कुमार, उत्कर्षा बानिया, आदर्श तिमसिना, अश्विन पांडे, बादल दाहाल, इशाल प्रधान, मधु छेत्री, महक पोपली, नंग अरिता लोंकान, प्रज्वल हंग सुब्बा, शांतम आयुष, सुनीता सुब्बा, विद्या तिवारी। मास्टर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सारिका कुमारी, तान्या गौतम, मोनिका गुप्ता, आस्था दाहाल। सिमरन न्यौपाने, प्रियंका भुजेल, अंजू छेत्री, संगीता साहा। उष्मिता छेत्री, दक्षिणा रुचाल, प्रतीक्षित ब्राह्मण, वाकाल राय। तृष्णा राय, हिमांशु गोयल, प्रणेश छेत्री, नयन ज्योति बोरा। सुशील शंकर, तुहिन लिंबू, रोहित प्रसाद, प्रेमा रंजन। देवज्योति राज, प्रभाकर भुजेल, सागर राय। मास्टर ऑफ साइंस इन केमिस्ट्री रोशनी प्रधान, सौगत छेत्री, आदित्य छेत्री, सबीना बेगम। दर्शना छेत्री, सेनाज इकबाल, लिंचू लेप्चा, अभिषेक सुनार। नरेश छेत्री, रोशन शर्मा, ऐश्वर्या राय, अभिषेक खतिवड़ा। अमृता कुमारी गुप्ता, प्रज्वला गुरुंग, भोजराज छेत्री, किशोर घिमिरे शर्मा। कैलाश लिंबू, चंद्रहांग सुब्बा, नीमा शेरपा, बंदाना प्रधान। प्रतिज्ञा रिजाल। मास्टर ऑफ साइंस इन मैथमेटिक्स सुदर्शन छेत्री, अंजना सुबेदी, पूजा शर्मा, अनीता गुरुंग। अंजलि शर्मा, कमल छेत्री, सुमिरन बस्नेत, अनंत राय। पूरन दंगाल। मास्टर ऑफ साइंस इन फिजिक्स शाश्वत चंद्र दहाल, विनय कुमार खरगा, प्रयाग शर्मा, आदित्य छेत्री। शंकुर दत्ता लाहकर, संकल्प बैनर्जी, सुनील कुमार चौरसिया, रुबेन सुब्बा। नवीन शर्मा, विवेक छेत्री, बिहेश्वर छेत्री, बिंदिया शर्मा। ऋषभ तामंग, गगन भट्टराई, प्रेम छेत्री, विवेक प्रधान। ऋषि पोखरेल, नीरज कोइराला, सैमुअल राय। बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स सूरज प्रधान, जेसन सौरभ थापा, मोहिरुंगम मेम इरिक्साना देवी, कनिष्का छेत्री। प्रीतम गुरुंग, दिव्य ज्योति शर्मा, अपर्णा राय, पवन सिंह शेखावत। सबीन कुमार पांडे एंड तेंजिंग वोंगपू भूटिया। बैचलर ऑफ कॉमर्स सोनाली कुमारी, रवीना शर्मा, विधि थापा, यानी प्रधान। अनुयापी पाबिन, अभिषेक कुमार शर्मा, दीपिका थापा, दावा युडेन भूटिया। मिंगमा शेरिंग लेप्चा, सुरजा नारायण गुप्ता, धर्मराज छेत्री, अवकाश प्रधान। प्रतिमा राय, सृष्टि थामी, छोडेन शेरपा, संगीता राय। मास्टर ऑफ कॉमर्स सबीन थापा, मनीष कुमार गुप्ता, फुर्बा छिरिंग लेप्चा, फुर्बा डोमा शेरपा। कर्मा टाशी यंगजम भूटिया, रोशनी बसनेत, शिबानी गुरुंग, सुमी प्रधान। मिकेला भूटिया, प्रियंका तामंग, मंजिता सुनार, थुंगवा मुकमा लिंबू। दीपेन छेत्री, अधिकारी, छिरिंग छोडेन भूटिया, लाकपा छुडेन शेरपा, छिवांग दोर्जी भूटिया। रोहन दरनाल, खुशबू कुमारी गुप्ता, तृष्णा नेपाल, धनलक्ष्मी अग्रवाल। मिशा लिंबू, इवा लिंबू, सिद्धार्थ गुरुंग, यापचुंगला लेप्चा। मनीर गुरुंग, बिकी शर्मा, छोपेल भूटिया, एनियत सुब्बा। अकपिला राय, नोर्मू वोंगदेन भूटिया, शिरिंग नामगेल लेप्चा, सुनील लिंबू। दिबेश छेत्री, यांग लामू शेरपा, जगत कुमार छेत्री, संध्या दियाली। अशना प्रधान, रेनिका ग्रेस धकाल, प्रिया ज्योति बिस्वास।
Now we have the common oath taking ceremony for the degree holders. May I now request the Registrar, Sikkim Manipal University, Professor Dr. K.S. Sherpa, to kindly administer the common oath to all the degree holders. I request all the degree holders to kindly rise up and put their right hand forward to take the common oath.
As a graduating student,
as a graduating student
of Sikkim Manipal University,
of Sikkim Manipal University,
I shall follow
the
code of
scientific
professional ethics, maintain integrity in research, uphold the cause of science, respect the dignity of the human being, endeavor to be objective in my judgment, and strive for the enrichment of human values and thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Governor of Sikkim and Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University, Shri Ganga Prasad, was born on 8th of July 1937 in Patna, Bihar. He was a member of Bihar Legislative Council in 1994, and he also held the position of Leader of Opposition in the State Assembly for 5 years. Shri Ganga Prasad Ji was appointed as the 16th Honorable Governor of Sikkim on 21st of August in the year 2018 by the Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind. अब मैं सिक्किम के माननीय महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री गंगा प्रसाद जी से श्रद्धापूर्वक निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के कुलाधिपति के रूप में हम सभी को अपने वक्तव्य से कृतार्थ करें।
सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के 20वां दीक्षांत समारोह में उपस्थित माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री श्री कुंगा लिमा लेप्चा जी, मुख्य अतिथि श्री अभय कुमार वैश्य जी, श्री राजेन पादुकोण प्रो वाइस चांसलर जी, वीसी सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय डॉक्टर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल श्री राजेन गरेवाल जी, इस दीक्षांत समारोह में उपस्थित विशिष्ट अतिथिगण, विश्वविद्यालय के समस्त शिक्षकगण, कर्मचारीगण, अभिभावकगण एवं विद्यार्थियों, आप सभी को सिक्किम मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी के 20वें दीक्षांत समारोह के इस विशेष अवसर पर मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। सबसे पहले मैं सिक्किम मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी को बधाई देना चाहता हूं, जिसने इतने कम समय में पूरे पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों में एक उच्चतम शिक्षा का केंद्र बनने में सफलता हासिल की है। मुझे बड़ा गर्व है इस महामारी के दौर में यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा विद्यार्थियों के परीक्षा दिलाकर आज उन्हें विभिन्न विषयों में जैसे मेडिकल, नर्सिंग, फिजियोथेरेपी, इंजीनियरिंग, साइंस, कला तथा वाणिज्य के क्षेत्र में उत्तीर्ण विद्यार्थियों को डिग्री प्रदान की जा रही है। जब कुलपति महोदय वार्षिक रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहे थे, मेरा ध्यान इस तरह आकृष्ट हुआ, यहाँ के विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाई के अलावा कई अन्य कार्यक्रमों में भी भाग लेने का अवसर प्राप्त होता है, जिससे उनके प्रतिभा को उभारने में मदद मिलती है और उनको पूर्ण चरित्र निर्माण करने में प्रोत्साहन मिलता है। मैं यहाँ जानकर अत्यंत प्रसन्न हूँ कि यहाँ पर न केवल सिक्किम अपितु भारत के कई राज्यों से एवं पड़ोसी देश जैसे नेपाल एवं भूटान से बड़ी संख्या में विद्यार्थी शिक्षा प्राप्त करने के लिए आते हैं। भारत के भिन्न भिन्न प्रांतों से शिक्षक इस विश्वविद्यालय में पढ़ाने आते हैं। इस नज़रिए से सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय सिक्किम में सूक्ष्म है, भारत की झलक एवं अनेकता में एकता का सुंदर दृष्टांत दर्शाता है। प्यारे मित्रों, स्थानीय, क्षेत्रीय, राष्ट्रीय तथा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विकासमूलक प्रयासों में महाविद्यालय और विश्वविद्यालय की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है। इसमें दो मत नहीं हो सकते कि उच्चतम शिक्षा और आर्थिक विकास एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं। आशा करता हूं कि निरंतर प्रगति की ओर अग्रसर होते हुए यह विश्वविद्यालय राष्ट्र के निर्माण में अपनी सहभागिता निश्चित करेगा। आपको जानकारी है, पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों में आधारभूत शैक्षिक संरचना का अभाव है, जिसके कारण इस राज्य के युवाओं के लिए देश के अन्य राज्यों के युवाओं की तुलना में परिस्थितियां उपलब्ध नहीं है। मेरा मानना है कि पूर्वोत्तर के युवाओं में असीम क्षमता है और भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की दूरदर्शिता वाली नई शिक्षा नीति 2020 समूचे क्षेत्र में युवा पीढ़ी में कौशल, प्रबोधन एवं ज्ञान फैलाने में मील का पत्थर साबित होगी। प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, स्नातक और स्नातकोत्तर उपाधि प्राप्त करके आप सब आज अपने जीवन की एक नई दहलीज पर खड़े हैं। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यह दीक्षांत समारोह आपके जीवन का एक निर्णायक मोड़ है। आप सबको मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं। आज के बाद आप सभी को अनेक व्यक्तिगत जीवन में आने वाली चुनौतियों का सामना करने के लिए आवश्यक ज्ञान, विवेक और बुद्धि तथा कौशल प्रदान किया है। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है आप अपने अनुभवों के आधार पर अपने जीवन को सफल बनाते हुए इस नए भारत के निर्माण का गहन जिम्मेवारी का वहन करेंगे। मैं आप सभी से आग्रह करता हूं, भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने की प्रक्रिया में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देखें। डिग्री प्राप्त करने वाले छात्र छात्राओं से कहना चाहता हूं, अभी तक आप सभी अध्ययन में लगे थे। आप आज समाज के बीच जा रहे हैं। आप अपने ऊपर बहुत बड़ा दायित्व लेकर जा रहे हैं। उस दायित्व का ईमानदारी से निर्वहन करना है। देश का आप पर बहुत बड़ा भरोसा है। राष्ट्र नवनिर्माण में आप तत्पर रहेंगे। आपको हमेशा ये याद रखना चाहिए कि आपको इस योग्य बनाने में अनेक नहीं अनेकों की महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा है। प्रथम माता पिता आचार्य का, इसके अलावे समाज के अनेकों का सहयोग रहा है। उन सबों को याद रखना चाहिए कि यदि उन सबों का किसी न किसी रूप में सहयोग न मिला होता तो शायद आप इस लायक नहीं बन पाते। आपको आज जितनी प्रसन्नता हो रही है उसी प्रकार उन सबों को भी प्रसन्नता हो रही होगी जिनका आपको इस लायक बनाने में सहयोग योगदान रहा है। भारत युवाओं का देश है। आप सभी युवा हैं। आप सबों में जोश है, कार्य करने की अपार शक्ति है। कहा गया युवा शब्द सदैव से ही प्रेरणा, ऊर्जा निर्माण एवं गति का पर्याय रहा है। संपूर्ण चेतना, क्रांति एवं सृजन का मूलधार युवा को ही कही गई है। युवाओं के संकल्प पर्वतों के सदृश अडिग वर्णित है। अभिशाप, वरदान, निर्वाण, संहार, उत्थान पतन एवं हानि लाभ में अविचलित रहने की संज्ञा का नाम युवा है। इसलिए कहा गया है युवा वर्ग उत्साह भरा है, कमी नहीं प्रतिभाओं की, शंखनाद हो चुका युवाओं, बदलो दिशा हवाओं की। आधुनिक डिजिटीकरण एवं उद्यमवृत्ति के युग में आप जैसे युवा पेशेवर को में जीविका अवसरों के क्षेत्र में स्वराज्य और रोजगार सृजन करने की प्रमुख भूमिका होती जा रही है। अतः मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि आप इस दिशा में गंभीरतापूर्वक विचार करें और रोजगार प्रार्थी न बनकर स्वयं रोजगार प्रदाता बने। मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, लम्बी है राहें बढ़ते जाना, लम्बी है राहें बढ़ते जाना, देख मुसाफिर थक मत जाना। यदि कुछ मिल जाए तो मत इतराना। यदि आज को डिग्री मिल गया है यही पर्याप्त नहीं है। लक्ष्य बड़ा है, सफ़र है लम्मा, लक्ष्य बड़ा है, सफ़र है लम्मा। बाधाओं के पार उतरकर धैर्य से आगे बढ़ते जाना, आगे बढ़ते जाना। इस अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को फिर से एक बार शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और प्रार्थना करता हूं ईश्वर आप सभी को व्यक्तिगत व समग्र मानवीय कल्याण हेतु अपेक्षित शक्ति, साहस और विवेक प्रदान करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय भारत, जय सिक्किम।
धन्यवाद महामहिम राज्यपाल एवं विश्वविद्यालय के कुलाधिपति जी। आपने अपने विद्वत्तापूर्ण, प्रेरक एवं प्रबुद्ध वक्तव्य से हम सबको कृतार्थ किया।
Today, we have amidst us an illustrious and dynamic personality, Sri Abhay Kumar Vaish, Senior Vice President, Head of Business Unit, MS-IT ADM, Ericsson, as our chief guest for the 20th e-convocation of Sikkim Manipal University. Sri Abhay Kumar Vaish was born on 9th April 1968. Sir graduated from the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee in Electronics and Communication in the year 1989. He is a technology stalwart with around 30 years of experience in telecommunication industry. He is at present the global head of IT managed services and ADM delivery at Ericsson, New Delhi. Sir holds the post of co-chair of the NRC Council of NASSCOM in Noida. He has a fervent interest in startups and has mentored many, namely the Winzac, Khata, and Solar Labs. Sri Vaish has been with Ericsson since 1996 and led to the introduction of mobile technology and their advancement all over the globe. He has a keen interest in research and development, academics, and music. Sri Vaish loves to spend time with the bright young university student and has conducted many seminars for them. Sir is an expert in managing operators and technical operation from radio core to IT networks. He has recently forayed his interest into the fields of machine learning and artificial intelligence, design thinking, cloud technologies to help massive automation, IoT techniques to enable speedier resolution of events in the network. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a big round of applause Shri Abhay Kumar Vaish as I call upon our chief guest to deliver the e-convocation address.
Honorable Governor of Sikkim and Chancellor of Sikkim Manipal University, Shri Ganga Prasad Ji, Honorable Minister of Education, Government of Sikkim, Shri Kunga Nima Lepcha, Honorable Minister of Health, Government of Sikkim, Shri M.K. Sharma, Pro-Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University, Shri Rajan Padukone, Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group, Shri Ranjan Pai, Vice Chancellor, Sikkim Manipal University, Lieutenant General Dr. Rajan Grewal, other university officials, graduates, and proud parents. First and foremost, I would like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity and honor to speak to the graduating students of Sikkim Manipal University of the class 2020. Little would you have imagined that in 4 or 5 years' time when you would graduate, the year would be so different from all the others. You're all truly unique, possibly in a few generations, to be passing out in this unprecedented year. It is a pleasure for me to be a part of one of the major milestones in your careers. And today I would like to share with you some of my experiences that have shaped my life. If I were to distill some of the key traits that I have seen in successful people that I've had the pleasure of interacting and working with, there are 3. Number 1, courage. Number 2, perseverance. Number 3, humility. The list might be big, but most of the others are either derivatives or collaterals of these 3 traits. Let me talk about courage. Courage is not the forte of physically powerful. In fact, it is all but prowess or physical strength. It's the power within, mostly in your mind. This comes from your subconscious, your thought process, and your resolve. Let me explain this with a story from my childhood, and I call this the dream of an airplane crash. As a kid, my father would go out abroad and bring goodies with him in his suitcases. There were lots of planes who used to fly past my home on their landing track. And I would wonder how many goodies would be there in these planes. Now that's the thought process which is being formed in my mind. Then one day I had this dream that one of the plane had crashed in front of my house and all these goodies were distributed everywhere and I was picking them up, bringing them home. The next day morning, the dream was very vivid in my mind. But equally vivid was my pain with myself, my own thought process. Yet I could not change it because that was a done deal. I had the dream. Anyway, I thought that I was not doing the appropriate thing. And I must say that for many years after that, I kept this to myself. I was 10 years of age at that point in time. And I didn't know whom to share it with because I felt that it was very bad on my part to have even dreamt. But you know what? For the next few months, I kept on getting the same dream. Exactly the same thing. And every time it happened, it pained me. But every time I tried to make my resolve better by thinking that my thought process itself was wrong. And then, as if magically, after a few months, I had another dream. Everything else being same, but I was now helping the victims. It took me a lot of time and effort to get to that stage. This was the last time that I dreamt of it even. You know, your subconscious mind is very powerful and it drives you to do things that you just cannot imagine. Take its help. Shape it. It takes a lot of time and effort, as I said. But it'll help you to get to the desired behaviors. And you, and only you, can change it. For the subconscious mind is fully in your own control. And you sleep throughout your life with your conscience. If you shape it well, it'll give you the courage that you need to face any situation in the world. Then we come to perseverance. Perseverance is about being resolute about something, to do something with a lot of hard work and effort. It does require a lot of hard work, but unfortunately it's not visible to many others. If you look at a duck that's floating very gracefully on water, it looks so effortless, yet you don't see the amount of paddling that she is doing with her feet. And people only see the glitter and believe that anybody with luck will get it. But that's farthest from the truth. That brings me to my second story. And that story, I call that as an elephant in your pocket. Now here it goes. As a kid, I would lose my stuff and go to my grandmother asking for her help to help me search that. She would ask me to search for things in all kinds of obscure places. Places where I'm almost sure that my lost thing would not be there, but still she would insist. And as a small kid, I would do that. After some time, I got the courage and asked her, Grammy, why do you want me to search in places where this thing just cannot be there? For instance, a very big ball cannot be actually on top of a pelmet or inside some very small drawer. Then she said, you know what? When people lose their elephants, they even search in their pockets. Well, again, that was a very complicated thing, searching for an elephant in a pocket. Maybe as a 5-year-old, I didn't understand. But later on, I got the courage to ask her once that, what is it that you mean by searching for an elephant in the pocket? She said, you know what? Elephants can't be in the pockets, but it's very much possible that you have loaned your elephant to one of your friends, or somebody else, written that down on a piece of paper and put that paper in your pocket. Now the thing is that the important point here that I'm trying to make is that you will have to search for things in places which are very, very unobvious. Most of you and most of us actually are searching for our elephants in our lives. And the thing is, they could be things like lost opportunities, unfulfilled job appointments, and lots of them. And you might be finding it very difficult to get answers to all of them. My advice is to look for all the avenues, work very hard towards anything and everything that can possibly give you a solution. And if you do that, I'm sure you will find an elephant. That was about perseverance. Finally, humility. What you are today is not because of you. Most of you think that it was I who studied, it was I who did this or that, and that's why I'm here. But what about the person who drove you to the school, be it a bus driver or a rickshaw driver? What about the person who cleaned your class, who cleaned the bathrooms in the school, your lab assistants, and everybody else who ensured that you get your education and that you come to a stage today where you are graduating? I have deliberately not mentioned your parents, your teachers, who of course have played a very, very important role, but it is very obvious. The fact is that we often forget the people that have helped us to become what we are. What you are and what you will be is shaped by so many people, most of whom you don't recognize or are even aware of. And the only way that you can return this magnanimity, is what I would like to say to all the people, is to be humble at all times, whatever your position be. Because there are lots of people who are behind every successful person, and the only way for that person to give back to the society is to be humble with everybody, irrespective of your position. Finally, I would like to give my heartfelt congratulations to all of you and your parents for having finished your graduations, and wish that each one of you has an illustrious career ahead of you, bringing glory to your parents, your alma mater, and to our nation. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and wishing you all the best in your future endeavors. God bless you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement and inspiration.
Now, I would like to request Registrar, Sikkim Manipal University, Professor Dr. K.S. Sherpa, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all. Today is the day of achievement, fulfillment, success, and a testament to your perseverance and commitment to excellence. Due to the prevailing situation, you could not assemble in this auditorium hall. However, the university extended all its efforts not to deprive you of the feel of this important day in your life. It is my proud privilege and honor to propose vote of thanks on this momentous occasion. Firstly, our heartfelt thanks and gratitude, Sri Ganga Prasad Ji, Honorable Governor of Sikkim and Chancellor of our university, for presiding over today's function. Sir, your kind blessings and advice have always led us to a greater height. My words are too small to express our gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Abhay Kumar Vash, Senior Vice President, Ericsson Global India, who has very graciously accepted our invitation. In spite of extremely pressing hours at his end, he readily agreed to grace the function and bless our degree awardees with his insightful thoughts and wisdom. Our sincere thanks to Sri Kunga Numa Lepcha, Honorable Minister of Education, Government of Sikkim, and Sri M.K. Sharma, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Sikkim, for accepting our invitation. On this momentous day, our sincere gratitude goes out to our founding Chancellor, Sri Ramdas Pai, Dr. Ranjan Pai, Chairman MEMG, and the present Pro-Chancellor, Sri Rajan Padukone. Your visions and valuable guidance to the university have made us stand tall today. Our heartfelt gratitude to Sri G.P. Upadhyay Ji, Additional Chief Secretary, Department of Education, Government of Sikkim, and Sri K. Sri Nwalusulu Ji, Principal Secretary, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Sikkim, for their untiring support, presence, and participation as an active member of Governing Council members to our university at all times. My special word of thanks to members of the Governing Council, Executive Committee, Finance Committee, and Academic Senate for your commitment to lead the university in its vision and mission. University is fortunate to have a team of motivated and dedicated colleagues and able stewardship of Honorable Vice Chancellor. I extend thanks to you all for your cooperation in this organization of this mega and auspicious event. My sincere thanks to our anchors of the day, Dr. Jyotsna Kapil, Dr. Ruby Day, for their seamless anchoring. Today is the momentous day also for our proud parents. We sincerely thank you. Your confidence on us reaffirms and reinforces us and our sincere efforts. Finally, a hearty congratulations to our degree awardees of your achievements. You are all destined for greatness. Each and every one of you have the potential to change the world. You all have grown into powerful intellectual individuals who will make a massive footprint on this earth. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. अब मैं सिक्किम के माननीय महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री गंगा प्रसाद जी से सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के कुलाधिपति के रूप में 20वें दीक्षांत समारोह के समापन की घोषणा करने का अनुरोध करती हूँ।
मैं सिक्किम मणिपाल विश्वविद्यालय के 20वां दीक्षांत समारोह का समापन की घोषणा करता हूँ।
धन्यवाद माननीय राज्यपाल जी। अब मैं राष्ट्रगान के गायन के लिए सभी गणमान्य व्यक्तियों से खड़े होने का अनुरोध करती हूँ।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your seats. With that, we have come to the close of 28th convocation of Sikkim Manipal University. Despite all the challenges, we have been able to join together in heart and spirit to congratulate our successful degree awardees of 2020 and their proud parents. With profound gratitude, we would like to humbly thank all our esteemed dignitaries for their gracious presence in this convocation. Namaskar, Tashi Dile, Jai Hind.